Forget takeout and frantic grocery runs. This week, we're conquering healthy meal prep on a budget. Can you believe you can have delicious, nutritious meals for the entire week for under $50? Let's find out together in today's video. Healthy meal prep for the whole week. Under $50. Ditch the expensive takeout and unhealthy fast food options. Weekly meal prepping allows you to take control of your health and your wallet. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you can ensure you're fueling your body with nutritious ingredients at a fraction of the cost. No more scrambling for dinner ideas or blowing your budget on unhealthy choices. This simple strategy is a win-win for your well-being and your bank account. Never order takeout again. Budget-friendly meal prep for busy weeks. Hectic schedules often lead to unhealthy eating habits. Between work, errands, and family commitments, it's easy to resort to takeout or quick fixes. Weekly meal prep is your secret weapon against those time-crunched evenings. By dedicating some time up front to cook and portion your meals, you'll have delicious, healthy options readily available throughout the week. No more scrambling for last-minute meals or succumbing to the temptation of unhealthy convenience options. Get ready to conquer your busy week with delicious home-cooked meals prepped and ready to go. Fuel your body and your wallet. Delicious weekly meal. Prep on a budget. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive. Weekly meal prepping allows you to stretch your grocery budget further. Planning your meals lets you take advantage of sales and buy ingredients in bulk, saving you money in the long run. Plus, by cooking at home, you can control the portion sizes and ingredients, ensuring you're getting the nutrients your body needs without the added sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats often found in takeout and processed meals. Invest in your health and your wallet with this delicious and affordable approach to eating well. Can you eat healthy all week? This intriguing concept invites you to test your skills in budget management and healthy eating, blending creativity with practicality. The challenge isn't just about saving money. It's about proving to yourself that with thoughtful planning and smart shopping, you can maintain a nutritious diet without breaking the bank. As you navigate this week-long journey, you'll uncover new recipes, explore cost-effective ingredients, and develop a deeper appreciation for the art of meal preparation. Unveiling the $50 weekly meal prep as a secret weapon for healthy eating shifts the perspective from mere survival to thriving on a budget. This approach emphasizes the solution-oriented aspect of meal prepping, showcasing how a modest budget can yield a variety of delicious and nutritious meals. By revealing tips and tricks on efficient grocery shopping, meal planning, and portion control, this strategy empowers individuals to take control of their diets. The emphasis is on sustainability and long-term health benefits, turning what might seem like a constraint into a powerful tool for wellness. In a world where time is a precious commodity, the promise to stop the mealtime madness. With easy and affordable weekly meal prep is a beacon for the busy and overwhelmed. This concept appeals to those juggling multiple responsibilities who still want to prioritize their health. It simplifies the process of meal preparation, making it accessible and manageable even for the most time-strapped individuals. By offering practical solutions and streamlined methods, this approach ensures that anyone can enjoy home-cooked, nutritious meals without sacrificing time or convenience. Combining these elements, the $50 meal prep challenge becomes more than just a financial exercise. It's an invitation to transform your relationship with food and time management. It's about discovering that healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. Through strategic planning and a bit of creativity, you can achieve a balanced diet and simplify your daily routine. This challenge not only fosters a sense of accomplishment, but also instills lifelong skills that contribute to your overall well-being, making healthy eating an attainable and sustainable habit. Healthy meal prep on a budget. A week of delicious meals for under $50 is your ticket to maintaining a nutritious diet without financial strain. This guide is packed with actionable advice and practical tips for creating tasty, balanced meals while sticking to a tight budget, like healthy meal prep, budget, and delicious meals. Signal exactly what readers can expect. A comprehensive plan to eat well for less. From grocery lists to step-by-step recipes, this resource ensures you can enjoy a variety of meals without sacrificing nutrition or flavor. For students juggling coursework, part-time jobs, and social lives, the Student Survival Guide, Affordable and Nutritious Weekly Meal Prep, is a game changer. Targeted specifically at college students and young adults, this guide addresses the unique challenges they face, such as limited kitchen facilities, time constraints, and tight budgets. By focusing on affordability and nutrition, it helps students fuel their bodies and minds with meals that are easy to prepare and kind to their wallets. With tips on smart shopping and quick, wholesome recipes, this guide ensures that students can maintain a healthy lifestyle despite their busy schedules. In your $50 weekly meal prep plan, you'll find 5 dinners, 2 lunches, and 1 breakfast, designed to maximize both variety and nutrition. This detailed breakdown of included meals provides clarity and structure, making meal prep straightforward and manageable. By specifying the exact number of meals, this plan removes the guesswork and helps you efficiently allocate your resources. Each recipe is crafted to be both nutritious and budget-friendly, ensuring you get the most value out of every dollar spent while enjoying a diverse range of delicious meals throughout the week. Combining these guides, you get a robust framework for healthy eating that is both cost-effective and tailored to specific needs. Whether you're a budget-conscious individual, a student looking for quick and nutritious options, or someone who values detailed meal planning, these resources offer something for everyone. They emphasize practical solutions and real-world applications, making healthy eating accessible and sustainable. By following these plans, you'll not only save money but also develop essential skills in meal planning and preparation, fostering a balanced diet and a healthier lifestyle. Eating healthy on a budget might seem challenging, but the guide, Eat Healthy and Save Weekly Meal Prep, under $50, makes it not only possible but enjoyable. This guide provides a structured plan to create nutritious meals for an entire week without exceeding a $50 budget. It emphasizes the importance of smart shopping and strategic planning, ensuring you get the most out of every dollar. With easy-to-follow recipes and a clear shopping list, this guide helps you maintain a balanced diet, proving that healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. For those who find themselves frequently ordering takeout due to busy schedules, never order takeout again. Budget-friendly meal prep for busy weeks offers a practical and time-saving solution. This guide targets busy individuals who struggle to find the time to cook but still want to eat well. It includes quick and simple recipes that can be prepared in advance, allowing you to avoid the temptation of costly and often unhealthy takeout options. By dedicating a few hours each week to meal prep, you can ensure that you always have delicious, home-cooked meals ready to go, saving both time and money. Fuel your body and your wallet. Delicious weekly meal prep on a budget combines the best of both worlds, focusing on nutritious, flavorful meals that are also budget-friendly. This guide emphasizes the dual benefits of meal prepping, maintaining a healthy diet and managing your finances wisely. With a variety of recipes designed to keep your taste buds satisfied and your wallet full, it provides a comprehensive approach to weekly meal planning. Don't forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes every week. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what meals you'd love to see next.